What's good, boos? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know. Welcome to Los Angeles. It's Sheen Boo, and you already know. Today we're going to be doing a fall try-on haul featuring Zara. But I have a few pieces from Nike because y'all know I'm obsessed. So since the last video, I have gone back to Nike and I got a few pieces. So we're going to start with Nike first, and then we're going to move on to Zara. Just a quick tip. Just because it's fall doesn't mean you have to steer away from bright colors. You can still wear bright colors in the fall, along with, you know, like your nice autumn, like rust orange, gray, charcoal, browns, blacks, olive greens, emerald greens. You can still wear bright colors like this and like this. So we're gonna start, we're gonna get the Nike in the way and out of the way. This is a statement piece. I couldn't quite get it zipped up all the way by myself. But yeah, this is the back. It zips all the way up. Hugs the curves really nice, has pockets. Up here, I'm not sure if you can see it that good, but right here it says Nike. And I really like this. I thought it was gonna go all the way down to my feet, but it actually stops here. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna wear it, because when I thought it went all the way down to my ankles, I was like, oh, I have an idea for it. On to the next outfit. This is by far one of my absolute favorite outfits. These leggings really like hold you in, give you a slimming effect. The back looks really good. We have the Nike detail here. We have the Nike detailing here on the thigh. And I just love it. This is the perfect fall color. Get closer so you can see the texture. It has some pleating detailing here, if you can see that. I do have a sports bra on under here. And as you can see, it's hiding fairly well. So it's made, that's what I like about Nike's Razorbacks. They're made for you to be able to hide your bra. So immediately when I saw this outfit, I knew I could wear it with this purse. And then I also have these. So I have a complete outfit, a purse, shoes. Just looks so nice. And that's what I love. I love getting stuff to go with stuff that I already have. So if you have like a Louis Vuitton bag or a nice brown, some gold hardware, that will go really good, really good with this. Like, just look at the loveliness. And it also looks good with my melanin. This is serving my melanin right, honey. Yes, honey, yes. I have one more thing to show you from Nike, and then we're gonna move on into the Zara. I realized this when I was taking it off. Look at these hidden pockets. There's one here, and there's also a smaller one here. So yes. Hidden pockets are always good, especially for women, because we always have something to carry. Socks. Aren't these the cutest? Again, you can wear these with your slides. You can wear these with sneakers. But I feel like whatever you wear it with, you want it to be something to show your socks off, because these are like some nice statement socks. You got the detail right here. These are only $9.99. Plus, I had a 20% off of everything, so yeah, don't sleep on Nike Outlet. So this is the last thing that I got from Nike. If you look right here, you can see the double line neck, and that it says Nike here. And my favorite part are these sleeves. Get your little elbow out, little sexy, sexy elbows. You have some detailing here. It just looks like a barcode. I can't really read what it says, but I'll go ahead and put it in the camera. But yeah, I love that it comes all the way down to here. This is just something from the last haul. It's also Nike. If you want to know what it is, go look at the last haul. But yeah, I'm loving this. This is just giving me so much life. Like, no elbows actually gives me the same effect of elbow patches, which I'm obsessed with. Tall girl friendly. It comes all the way down here for the long arm girls. Comment down below if you got long arms. Long arms and long legs. Also says Nike right here. I love it, y'all. So this top is actually old, but it is from Zara. It's like it's either a swimsuit or a bodysuit. Wear it as both, I don't know. It's from a haul a very long time ago. I don't know if you could find it, but it's just a basic black bodysuit. I just like the way it looked with these pants. So these pants will accentuate the curves. I like to call these trousers like a dressy sweatpant. And this pleating right here and here is just so cute. Let's zoom in so y'all can see a little bit better. But look at this detail right here. Isn't it just so cute? That's what really draw me to these, and the pockets, and the fact that it's definitely tall girl friendly. So I really, really like these. You could dress these up or down. It's just however you want to do it. When I wear them with heels. And I'll go ahead and insert that picture. If you don't know, consider yourself put on, okay? Zara has really good smelling perfumes. So, you gotta get some. I lost my train of thought. So yeah, they smell like designer perfume is what I was trying to say. I can't vouch for how this one smells. This one is called Newt. I can't vouch for how this one smells because I've never tried it, but for the most part, I haven't tried any I haven't liked. And you know, a full-size perfume is 3.4. These are 6.8, and they're only $19.90. And they last like a designer perfume. This one in particular, Tuberose, it reminds me of Flower Bomb by Victor Rolf. And you can get that like at Sephora, I believe. Definitely Macy's and Nordstrom's rack. And Nordstrom's. But y'all, if y'all are sleeping on Zara's perfumes, then wake up. Because you're paying $100 for half of this. And this lasts just as y'all to see that. This is Zara. This is Zara. This is Zara. Back here is Zara. This is Zara. This is Zara. It's also Zara. Please save yourself some money and make yourself smell good and go get you some Zara perfume. Right here, this one is the sleeves for me, y'all. These sleeves really just did it for me. I really like these sleeves. So, as you know, you can't try anything on in the stores right now. So I'm going to try everything on right now, and I'm going to decide if I want to keep it. The bottom is a little bit wider than I would want. But I don't know. I just wanted to come home and try everything on. As you can see here, I still have this bodysuit on under here. I have these nice pants. I love the detailing here. I don't know if you can see that. And the pockets. And these ones don't really, to me, they give you more of a slimming effect instead of accentuating your curves like the other stuff. But this is a very cute outfit. I would wear it as a set. I love the little ruching at the bottom. That's very cute. Yeah, I really like it. I like it as a set. I have some shoes from Zara already that I could wear. So yeah, definitely get this outfit. So I also got this sweatshirt. It's actually really comfortable, really cute. And I love that it comes all the way down because I have long arms. Arms are super long. And the stuff usually doesn't come down, but this right here where it says limitless time, I just love this charcoal gray. It's just so cute and comfortable. I really like it. I like that it stops right here. It comes all the way down for my nice long torso. I know I always make comments about that it's too long or too short or whatever, but people need to know, like, I'm 5'8", so to me that's tall, and if you're definitely taller than 5'8", you know my struggle. And when you find something that just fully comes down, complements your torso and your arms and your legs, like, that is a tall person's dream. So, and I'm actually slouching so you can see me in the camera, like I'm on one knee. If I stand straight up, like, my head is cut off. It's really, really hard shopping sometimes. Like, they have a big and tall store for men, but we need like a slim and tall and a big and tall for women, because it's hard to find stuff for us too. Anyways, loving this sweatshirt. I feel very comfortable, nice and fall with the charcoal. So yes. And you know what? Let's go ahead. This is a really, really nice statement piece too. Look at this. I'm actually gonna put this over the sweatshirt because I want to see what it looks like. We got some nice silver buttons, pockets. The detail on this is impeccable. I got this from the men's department. I want you guys to know to shop in the men's department at Zara. I promise you, as a woman, you can find something in there. I want y'all to see how much room is in this jacket too. I believe this is actually a medium jacket. Medium. And it's a lot of space in here because I just got the sweatshirt under here. Look how far down this comes. It's more of a green than a yellow. Like it's showing up on this camera. On my second camera that I have on the side, you should be able to see the true green. But look at this. Isn't this a vibe? Now, I may be taking some of the stuff back. This I will be keeping. This is a keeper for sure. And then I have one more thing to show you guys. This was also in the men's department, honey. Don't sleep on the men's. Usually the men's purses, they're not worn as a like traditional crossbody like a woman. So you can put it on like this. Or you can unhook it. And put it on around the waist. Look at that. Look at the back, the vibe it gives the back. And then the front. Y'all, this is so styling. I don't even know what to do. Like, why should the men have all the fun? Look at this. I definitely have to style an outfit around this. This is just some nice stuff, man. With it closed up like this, I don't like the way the sweatshirt looks under it. But if you wanted to, especially when it gets cold. I live in California, so it's not cold at all yet. It's actually still in the hundreds, which is why I was so reluctant to buy fall stuff. But I was like, let me check out what Zara has. I've seen a lot of hauls, look like they have good stuff this year. And yeah, I just don't want to take this off. Zara is doing something. They're really doing something. I don't know what I'll be able to fit in this little merch, but thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Periscope, Sheen Boo. You already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Snapchat and all of that. You already know. Sheen Boo is at Sheen Boo. You already know. Bye.
Good night, Los Angeles.